What does $339,900 get you in Willingboro, New Jersey? We're gonna find out all about this house. I have a special introduction here today. Carly Wiessner.
Hi, I'm Carly Wiessner. We are at 132 Edge Lane in Willingboro, New Jersey. 1,322 square feet. Has 3 beds, 2 full baths, beautiful sunroom, and a great backyard.
You can see that the seller has a green thumb. The amount of money that she has spent here in the front yard and backyard is something to be noted. Walking in, I have a terrific living room. It's all tile in here. Nice expanse here. Wood floors all throughout. Big dining area. Seat 6, no problem. Let's check out the kitchen. More custom tile, nice countertops, electric cooktop, everything in good order. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You got the solar, you got everything here in Garfield East. We want to see you at the settlement table.